Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I am going to show you how I went about what I like to call doing a reverse encapsulation of these beautiful dry flower nails. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start out with, I thought I wanted to show you what I started out with my dry flowers. And this is a technique, I have never done this before, guys, but I learned this from Denise's video. She was very nice to do a video on how to dry flowers. That's Denise Jones 65. I will have her channel linked below. But check it out. I have some blue hydrangeas and some oak leaf hydrangeas. I think this is from one of my I Still Be. And some weeds. There are weeds here too. And then I also dried up some leaves to have some green on the design as well. This is what so those were the whole flowers, or the flowers in a whole. They took about a week to dry it up. And this is what I just kind of try to crumble them up, cut them up in pieces. Here's some of the petals from the blue hydrangeas so that they will fit nicely inside the nails. Now I'm going to go ahead and start up with the design and let you guys watch. Here's one of the clear tips that I will be using. This is the one that I'm going to use to show you how I went about doing the design. And guys, these tips, I got them on Amazon. These were recommended by Baby Girl Nails, and I went ahead and purchased them from Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below as well. But these are the ballerina shape in long. These are the long tips for full cover, and they are clear. And they're the ones that she used for Baby Girl Nails, used as a substitute or as a dupe from the Apres nails for their Gel X. So this is the tip that I used. And this is the one that I got to fit my middle nail. It is right there. So to start out with, because I have my natural white tip line, what I did, I placed it on my nail, pretty much where it's going to go, so that I will see more or less about how far up the smile line was going to be on the tip. And I just to kind of measure it and just to eyeball it, I just place my thumb right there, more or less right about where my smile line is. So then I just picked it up like this, and I have it, well, yeah, okay, so then I kind of just eyeball pretty much more or less where that smile line is going to be. And I just started with a no white top coat, gel top coat. I didn't use a builder gel for this, so I just went on like this to fill it in with not too much. I did not use much, but just enough there to hold. I don't know if you can't see that since it's clear. And then I went on picking some of the petals here, and I'm going to use, see if I can get you to see, but I'm going to be picking up from all over this paper depending on how I want them to go based on color and shape. Yeah, so those are things that you want to keep in mind. Let's go by this one, maybe here. And then another piece of the color here. And so I got this idea. This was inspired, I'm not sure, this was inspired by Baby Girl Nails when she encapsulated some of these clear nails. She encapsulated some glitter, and I figure I wanted to do something with my dry flowers for this instead of using glitter, but I did combine some glitter with this as well. And I'm trying to find a green, a little bit of this leaf, little leaf right here. This is from a weed, guys, so I just like the size of it was just perfect. And I'm only keeping it up in whole as a whole here. I didn't cut that one up because this is my middle nail, which is the whitest. So here's the final result, guys. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I am so in love with these. I don't know, I wasn't sure that I wanted to completely categorize them as melt bath nails. Maybe they are a version of it. I knew I wanted to do something with my actual dry flowers and go a little bit more sophisticated with them, and definitely use these tips that I just received not too long ago. I wanted to use them, and well, now that my nails are long, you know, these are pretty straight, which I love how they are straight. They don't have that hawk claw like, but then they will leave, because my nails are long, they leave more of a gap between my free edge and the actual tip. So, but I went ahead and filled that in with the Builder Gel. Nonetheless, these are on latex. I want to be able to pop them off, and that's because remember that I'm doing the test on the fiber gel on this pinky nail. So yeah, I won't be able to keep these, and I will not be able, these are so long, there's no way I'll be able to do the typing that I need to do in my everyday task. But oh my gosh, I am enjoying them, and I'm going to take lots of pictures of them. Let me know what you guys think below about this process. Again, I like to thank Baby Girl Nails for the inspiration on the reverse encapsulation is what I like to call it. By doing the putting the items that you're encapsulating on the inside part of the artificial tip. But I think it's pretty cool. It makes it really easy to work with. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.